Hey you guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. You guys, welcome back to the third video that I'm recording today. My eye is still bothering me, but today's video I'm going to talk to you guys and actually show you my hair, but I'm going to tell you really quick the products that I do use on my hair. And let's just get started so this video isn't more than 15 minutes long. So I'm gonna jump right into it. The products that I've consistently used on my hair since I've had my son has been this formulation of hair oil. You guys know I've been on YouTube since 2013, I believe, or maybe 14. You guys, I've been on YouTube for a while. I have been mixing up hair oils since the beginning of time. One of my all-time staples were just olive oil, cayenne pepper, and whole cloves. That's what I used in the first 4 years of my natural hair journey. I feel like I look blurry. But yeah, that's what I used for my first 4 years of my hair journey. And then I started adding more and more and more things into my oils. But since my son has been born, I've been using this formula, and he's 2.5 right now. And this has been the formula that I've consistently used, has been in this black container. And you guys has been asking me what's in this bottle. I do have a video made on what I have in this bottle. It's actually a bigger jar. Let me show you guys really quick because I do have the video made. So this is what my bottle looks like. Like I said, I do have a video on how I make that oil, and if you guys want to know how to make it, I can try to remember to leave the video down below, but it's called Extreme Hair Growth or something like that, and I think it was about 2 years ago on YouTube. Hopefully I can remember to put it down in the comment section. But I have this, and then to not just try to promote a product because it's not for sale yet, but you guys, I am going to be selling my own oils. I don't want to say soon because today, once again, is July 30th and 2022. And it takes a very long time to properly start a hair care line or whatever you have it. And it's been taking me a little bit longer than what I wanted it to, because I'm putting a lot of thought, time. I'm making sure that it's correct. So you guys, this will be for sale. Why am I selling it now? Because you guys have asked me to. I've been getting a lot of questions like, is this product for sale? Where can I buy it at? Yeah, I will be selling this product, but I will like make a pre-order or something like that. Please leave comments down below if you're excited about hearing this news that this oil will be on sale. But you guys, like I said, I've been mixing up my own hair oil since I started my hair journey, and that was in 2011. And then I got on YouTube, and the mixture that I continuously showed you guys was olive oil, cayenne pepper, and clove. But I have this mixture, and this will be for sale. It will not be the exact video what I'm going to be selling you guys. It's not going to be the exact video of what I'm showing in that bottle, because one of the products was bought and I just can't put that product in there. But it will be really good quality, pretty much the same dang ingredients, but I just had to take out one product because it was a store-bought product. So I can't just put like a store-bought product in there. But that took up a little bit more time than what I was expecting. But yes, this will be on sale. The next thing that y'all hear my son yelling. But the next thing that my hair has truly liked that I've been using for the past 2 years has been my conditioner bars. This one has a lot more shea butter and coconut oil and stuff in there than this one do. That's why they're different colors and they're colored naturally. I don't use any type of bad ingredients in what I'm putting on my hair, and that has literally been the only conditioner that my hair has truly loved since I've went through this whole COVID thing, y'all. I've been going through conditioner after conditioner after conditioner, going to the shelves trying to figure out what's going on with my hair, how come no products on the shelf is working, and I finally just had to start trying to formulate my own products, and that's what's been working for my hair. I don't know if it's just store-bought products, because some store-bought products really do work for my hair and then some don't, but the ones that do have like things in there that I'm no longer eating, so I don't want to put it on my hair, if that makes sense. So I've been using my own deep conditioners, my deep conditioning ball, and then also my shampoo bar. I think I have a video on me using my shampoo bar and my conditioner bar. And then my deep conditioner ball, I have a video on that made for you guys if y'all want to know how I make a deep conditioner ball. All of these things that I make, I have made a video on it already, and I've shared all my recipes and stuff with you guys, so that you guys, if you are not a DIYer, then you can buy it but from me. But if you want to try to DIY it, I mean, it's just oil and herbs and stuff and just letting it soak, really. But if you're not a DIYer, I understand. You can just you can buy it from me, and then you know, you ain't got to deal with trying to buy all the little different ingredients to put in the bottle. So the next thing that my hair has truly loved has been my whipped shea butter. And I should almost call it a whipped coconut butter, because I put more coconut butter in it than shea butter. But I've been using a whipped shea butter to either style my hair, because my hair don't necessarily like leave-in conditioners, and it's just crazy. Like, my hair is like so done with a lot of the store-bought products. So going into store-bought products, if I'm using a store-bought shampoo, it is this brand right here, which is the Shea and Moisture Strength and Repair shampoo. My hair absolutely love the Shea and Moisture Repair treatment mask. And then the only leave-in conditioner that my hair is loving right now is the Shea and Moisture leave-in conditioner, which I don't have. That bottle is in the bathroom. My hair is also loving that store-bought is grease. Yes, I said it. It's straight grease. It's just Blue Magic grease. The coconut oil one, the blue one, the one that's got the Indian, I think it's called Indian something or whatever in there. My hair has been loving straight grease on there. So after I get done with my whole wash day routine, I will literally grab some Blue Magic, rub that right in my hands, and then it's just smeared right down the length of my hair, and then I'll just braid up my hair. I need to do an updated hair washing video for you guys, but I really have not been feeling like bringing this camera or nothing in the bathroom, so I haven't did a hair washing video in a month. Even though you guys have probably been seeing some hair washing videos, I haven't did no hair washing videos in months, because my pre-batch game for my videos is on point, okay? But that has been the only store-bought hair products that I'm using in my hair, that my hair absolutely love. I have not tried all the hair products on the shelves. My hair at this point, I can use hair gel, but I prefer not to use hair gel. But if I do, my hair is like in the wet line extreme. My hair do not like the Eco Styler gel. My hair don't like that anymore. I've already explained to you guys the products that my hair do like that I'm just not using because of the ingredients. But those are the things that my hair is absolutely liking. And then my hair is absolutely liking bamboo products like brushes. And I'm still trying to find a comb for my product. For my hair. I'm trying to find a comb that really works for my hair, but I'm still using this comb for the most part. But you guys, those are the products that, oh yeah, and also I almost forgot, my hair still really likes the bentonite clay mask. And you guys, I still do avocado hair mask with oil in there. I don't put banana in there, but I do still use avocados. And then I am still using flaxseed. And I'm still using, there's one other thing. No, I think that's it. I think that's it, because I wanted to get all of those in there. But I'm still using those DIYs in my hair, and my hair do still like those. But for the most part, a lot of things have kind of changed and tweaked here since I've lost 45% of my hair due to COVID. I feel like my scalp is different. I literally need to like dump this oil like right on my scalp now, or else if I'm styling with oil, I'll do that, or else if I'm styling with grease, I'll put that grease right on my scalp like old school. Like I'll part my hair and put that grease right on my scalp, and it soothes the mess out of my scalp with the oil. Or the Blue Magic from Walmart. I think I'm gonna put like up the different types of Blue Magic that I've used in my hair that I know my hair likes. So yeah, you guys, those are the products that my hair is actually really rocking with. If I forgot any honorable mentions, maybe I'll put it in right here, but I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'm not really being a product junkie right now. I'm buying what I know that my hair likes. I was trying to figure out a couple of products that my hair like for the time for me to style it. I was trying to figure out like different leave-in conditioners and gels and stuff, and that was kind of making me a product junkie. But then after I bought like my 4th or 5th product that my hair just did not rock with, I was just like, yeah, I can't do this to my hair any longer. If I don't want to use Wetline Extreme, really quick, I will use the Blueberries Bliss Jelly. My hair actually likes that product, but that product is so expensive. I dang near use half the bottle, and I'm probably overusing the product, or I don't know. But my hair really liked that one, and it really held a good shape, and it held for the time that I needed. Like my hair wasn't hard and crunchy. But that's a good honorable mention, is the Blueberries Control Jelly hair gel or whatever. But those are, yeah, I would kind of more opt out for the hair jelly than the Wetline Extreme. If I'm doing it off of ingredients in the product, I would get that one versus the Wetline Extreme. Even though it's more pricier, I am on the quality of the hair product now versus what my pocket looks like, because I am noticing that a lot of these cheaper hair products that I was putting in my hair, a lot of them my hair don't like anymore, and it's not messing with it anymore. And I don't know if it's because of the way that my scalp has changed, or if my body has changed, I don't know, but my hair is not rocking with it as much, like nearly not as much. So yeah, that one's a really good one, the hair jelly, and I'll put a picture up for you guys. But yeah, I just really wanted to let you guys know what I am using in my hair currently, and I really hope you guys like this video. And if you guys have any comments down below, if you use any of these products, let me know down in the comments section. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.